Okay, so today we're going to be talking about wholes and halves. So here I have drawn a whole cookie. So this is a whole cookie. It's not broken in any way. It's a whole cookie. So now I'm going to split it in half. So I'm going to split it in half. Hopefully I can draw a nice straight line. So now I have split it in half. So now we have one half over here and one half over here. So this is something you might do if you wanted to share something with somebody. So both people have a fair share of the cookie. So one person has one half over here and one person has the other half over here. So that is what fair share means, that both people have an equal amount of cookies. So now I'm going to erase my share. My line here. Okay. There we go. Okay, so now we're going to talk about unequal shares. So now we're going to talk about unequal share, not a fair share. So that's when two people don't get the same amount. So what if I were to split the cookie right here? So now this person has this half over here, and the other person has this half right here. Now, which side of the cookie would you want? Would you want the small piece over here or the big piece over here? Well, Miss G loves cookies, so she would want the big piece over here, not the small piece over here. So that is not a fair share. That is an unequal share because one person's getting a small part of the cookie and the other person is getting the big half of the cookie. So that's not very fair, is it? You wouldn't be very happy if I handed you this piece of the cookie and Miss G got to take this piece of the cookie all for herself. That is not a fair or equal share. So we want to make sure whenever we are doing fair shares that both people get the same amount. Awesome.